Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't touch the lamp, Marcelo. Don't touch the lamp. No, no. No, no, don't touch the lamp. Marcelo, sweetheart. Where are you going?
Your dog needed to get out.
Hi. You gonna go in? In. Up. Up.
How are you walking like this? Your foot isn't right.
Marcelo. Can you say cookie? Say cookie. Cookie. Cookie? Marcelo.
Can you do so big?
How big is Marcelo?